Both of us are Fauji kids. I was born in Maharashtra in a place called Devlali. She was born in Moradabad, UP. Both the parents were in transferable jobs. So we've grown up all over India. The design was done in such a manner where initially we wanted that there should be a lift for them because we were, anticipating that they'll require it in their older years.
So we purchased this lift 6 years ago, and after that we realized within 4-5 years parents aged. Even they didn't realize it will be difficult for them. Just the one flight of stairs will be difficult for them.
Fortunately for us, the area that we had left available in the lobby was also just good enough that lift to come in. Whereas a mechanical lift would not have come in. So that's how our association started with you.
We were measuring the area, and we had seen your brochures, some word of mouth. Our neighbors had invested in a similar lift, and we were keeping our fingers crossed that area where the stairs goes around, we hope that in that cavity your lift fits in. And so when somebody from your company came to measure it, we were all really hoping that it fits, and it did. Once it did, we knew that this design is going to be just perfect for our house.
Certainly wanted something which gives as you say in the internet time, they say the 99.99% uptime. Mm-hmm. So we wanted a product which gives that uptime and not struggle to continually face breakdowns and be calling people and getting it fixed. So those are some of the reasons that we went with aesthetics as well as the functionality.
And on aesthetics, we've had so many people compliment when they walk in, be it our guests, our neighbors. The first thing they look at it, and maybe I wish you all the best that you start selling many more of these. But when we got it, it was novel. It was nothing like people had seen before. So when they come in, the first attention is on the lift, right? So that gave a very nice impression. And now, of course, after the lockdown, I've seen a lot of the delivery boys walk in and press the button, out of curiosity and admire it. So, all sorts of people have been coming in and looking and commenting on it. So it's added a little more, point of conversation.
In that area, so suppose someone is using the lift and gets stuck, and if you don't have your mobile phone or something, then it's an area of concern as to how long will that person be stuck for, right? So when I heard about this feature, that it will gently descend and it doesn't need electricity, it comes down on its own gravitational force and the doors open, then that kind of pacified me, saying that for me this really means something.
The old style lifts, right? So a lot of our nieces, nephews, little kids, even when they get into it, we don't worry. One, you can see the person. That gives a sense of, lesser claustrophobia and a sense of safety. Right. And two, kids actually uses it almost as a plaything. So they go up and down as safe as that. Right. So not just for the old folks, but even for kids.
I think it has just been a blessing. They said nothing much can go wrong with it. And it is literally maintenance free. It just requires the cleaning and the checkups, which are part of the process. As far as the maintenance is concerned, they come every 4 months and clean it up, make it look newer. My interactions were very professional. I felt that they were capable of building trust, and they were very patient. They took their time to answer each and every question. They also gave you time to assimilate the information they provided to you and make a decision which is with a balanced mind. The fact that you can make your parents' life convenient is the most satisfying aspect of it. It came because of a need. the fact that the beauty came along with it and the sophistication that it brings with it, that is an add-on. We are happy that my mother in particular is happily using it. My entire experience was a pleasant one. I would fully recommend Nibav to anyone who would want to make use of this product.